All right, it has been a second since we've done an update on the kitchen because we kind of got caught up with stuff and we've been waiting on the plumber to get here to finish up some of the plumbing runs that we needed. And they are here today getting that stuff in. So once that's done, we're really gonna start rolling on this because we've been waiting on that to finish up drywall and stuff. Let me show you what we've gotten done since we did the window replacement a couple weeks ago, and kind of give you an idea where we're at, what we're gonna be doing from here. So as we showed last time, we put that new window in. That is all closed up. I have done drywall work around that, getting all the mud on there. We have closed up the drywall all the way around here, and we were waiting on the water service line for the refrigerator to put in, which is getting put in right there today. We are getting our new gas line, which is that right there. That's installed and that's gonna be getting hooked up today for our new gas stove. And then over here at our coffee bar, we have our spigot right there for our water line coming up through the floor to do our pot filler. And this is our pot filler faucet that we bought. That's gonna go on that wall and be able to swivel and fill up our coffee maker. So that is essentially what we've got going on. The ceiling is all closed up and ready to go. All we have to do is get that painted, and we're waiting for the drywall and stuff to get put in before we do that. All in all, we are rolling along. Once the plumber gets done today, we will be all hands on deck to get this done. Hey guys, it's Thursday morning, and as promised, we have drywall finished. The plumber was here the other day. I showed you guys that, where he put the gas line in and the water service for the refrigerator and our coffee bar line. That is all put in, and it was all hands on deck to get the drywall put in. And that's what I've been working on the last couple of days. And here is the progress. It's finally starting to look like something around here, and it's finally starting to close up, which is awesome to see. Let me show you. There's our window. We come around, and there is our wall completely closed up and drywalled. Oh, it looks so good. There's our coffee bar area, closed off and drywalled. The mud is still wet. I just got done doing that for the second coat. We get that sanded off and cleaned up and smoothed down. There's our spigot for the coffee bar line right there. And those are for two lights that we're putting up above the coffee bar. Once we get this all sanded down and smooth, the next job is to paint this ceiling and get it all the same effing color, because I'm tired of looking at this gray patchwork, nasty looking ceiling. I'm ready to get this thing painted. I'm ready for the next steps. Once we get that done, we're gonna be setting cabinets, and I'm hoping that I can get this drywall done later today, maybe early tomorrow, and get the ceiling painted tomorrow, and we could be putting cabinets up this weekend. That is the goal, and I cannot believe it. I can't wait to get that done because it's been so long coming. It's only been a month, but damn, it feels like so much longer than that. I can tell you, it feels like so much longer than just a month. And you know, one of the benefits of being self-employed is I can work on this whenever I need to and do my work in between stuff. But being able to work on this during the day and not have to wait for weekends for everything has been great. I've been able to get so much done without having to wait for the weekend to get here. So that's the update. Hoping we can get cabinets going next, and we're gonna be rocking and rolling. This thing's gonna be starting to move really quick. So stay tuned.